Dear students, I am Sandan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School. Today, in this part video, I would like to explain about what is eclipse and how many types of eclipse will be formed and what are they. That is we discussed in this part video from the chapter of star and the solar system. In our previous video, in the same chapter, we discussed about how to make your own sundial, and the second one is phases of the moon. Now, before going to the eclipse, we discussed a simple topic about what is the surface of moon. What about surface of the moon? Means we know that Neil Armstrong is first he put the leg on which one moon, we know that very well. He was the first person landed on which one moon. So anyway, but our India will be also nearly send 6 satellites to knowing about what type of atmosphere is present or which type of gases are present and what is the nature of the moon, and the surface of the moon will be having what type of portion. This everything will be so find out by our Indian scientists by sending nearly 6 satellites to the moon. They revolving around a particular orbit around the moon, and they gather the information. And also our India will be conducted the Chandrayaan also. In the recent days they will be ready to Chandrayaan 1 and 2 will be completed. Now let me discussing that. So by landing some astronauts onto the moon, and with help of the satellite, what the scientists will be gather the information about the moon means the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon is dusty and barren. Totally is dusty is there, and small particles is also present is there. In that dusty. It has a large number of craters. So means the moon surface will be contain a large number of craters in different sizes. So the moon surface is dusty and barren, and the moon surface will be also having a large craters in different size. Some are small, some are huge. There. It also having steep and high mountains. The surface of the moon will be also having steep. Steep means like only one straight inclined, and high mountains. And some of the mountains height is very higher than the surface of the earth also. Is nothing but even though it's like that type of one. So listen very carefully. The surface of the moon is contained dusty and barren. It has a large number of craters in different sizes, and it is having a number of steep and high mountains. Some of the mountains have higher, the sum of the mountain's height is higher than the height of the mountains on this surface of the earth. This is a brief idea about the surface of the moon. Now we'll discuss about the eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but, it is an astronomical event. Astronomical is nothing but, we know that, to study about the stars and the solar system, what is present, how many planets are present, how many planets are there in our solar system, and not only in our solar system, they studied about the space, what are the objects present in that one, that is called astronomy. That's why eclipse is an astronomical event. It occurs where? In the sky only. It is not occurs on the surface of the earth. It is occurs where? In the sky only. So two types of eclipses are there. Two types of eclipses are observed from the surface of the earth. First one, lunar eclipse. Second one, solar eclipse. So, how many types of eclipses we are observing from the surface of the earth? Only two. One is the lunar eclipse, another one is the solar eclipse. What is the lunar? What is the solar? How that eclipses will be formed and how many types are there? That is we discussed in this part of video. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. It occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon or covers the moon's surface. Listen very carefully. It occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon surface. At that time, which eclipse will be occurs? Lunar eclipse. Lunar is nothing but moon simply. In our language it is called Chandra Grahana. So lunar is nothing but moon, eclipse is nothing but Grahana. That's why Chandra Grahana means you are not able to see the moon up to certain time. That is called eclipse. So the lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the which one? Moon. Sorry. When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, it will be occurs. Next, it occurs only at the full moon day. So the lunar eclipse will be occurs when at the full moon day only. Means so at the Paurnami day only. Okay, lunar eclipse will be occurs. Not every full moon day. Okay, what is the reason? I will explain. Listen very carefully. Eclipse is nothing but it is the astronomical event. It occurs only in the sky only. How many types of eclipses are there? Two. One is the lunar eclipse. Second one is the solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse in our mother tongue we are called Chandragrahanam. Okay. So means when we are observing this one means at the full moon day, means at the Paurnami day only we are observing which one? Lunar eclipse. Because of, okay, you can see the moon. But what will happen at the time of lunar eclipse? Initially, at the night time, you can see the moon clearly. But what will happen? Suddenly, full moon is nothing but entire the moon is appears to us clearly from the surface of earth. At that day only, suddenly sometime the moon is not appears to us from the surface of earth. That is called lunar eclipse. But what? Okay, for every full moon day. Means we know that in every 1 month, one full moon day, one new moon day is occurs. Okay, for every full moon day, the lunar eclipse will be occurs. No, it is not possible. But when the lunar eclipse will be possible at the full moon day, means the sun, earth, and moon. These three are comes in a straight line. At that time only, what is occurs? Lunar eclipse will be occurs. I will explain with the help of one diagram. Then you can easily understand how the lunar eclipse will be occurs. So it is the diagram of lunar eclipse. See here we are observing that already you have a clear idea, and also I explained it clearly in the starting of this concept. Okay. It is the sun. Sun is always in the rest position, is nothing but was the stability mode only. Around the sun, Earth is revolving. We know that. Earth is revolving around the sun in a particular orbit. Like the same way, the moon is one of the natural satellite to the Earth. That's why moon is also revolving around the Earth. But what I say that means when the lunar eclipse will be formed exactly means means lunar eclipse is nothing but you are not able to see the moon up to certain time. When it is possible means so when the moon is revolving around the Earth at that time, okay, here the moon, okay, sun, Earth and the moon, these three are comes in a straight line. Listen very carefully. So the sun, Earth and the moon. So first sun, next Earth and the moon are between the sun and Earth. What is there? Sorry, between the sun and the moon, what is present? Earth. That's why sun, Earth and the moon, these three are present or comes in a under a straight line. At that time, the rays are coming from the sun. Okay, so before reaches to the moon, they are passing through the earth. The size of the earth, we know that it is larger than the size of the moon. That's why what will be happen here is okay. Earth is a opaque object or not? And also we know very clearly when the light is passing through the any opaque object, it will be forms the shadow. That's why. So the earth's shadow will be fall on the which one? Surface of the moon here. Okay. The sunlight is passing through like this one. Here is the sun. So what about this one? When the light will be fall onto the earth, this earth shadow will be okay fall on where? Surface of the moon. That's why. So for the moon surface, there is no sunlight will be reaches. I explained when the light will be fall onto the any surface of the object, after deflection, the reflected light ray reaches to us. It is appears to us. But here, what will be happen? So the sunlight is not fall onto the moon. Why? Because of the moon surface is totally covered by which one? Shadow of the earth. Shadow will appear which color? Black in color. That's why the moon does not appear to us at the full moon day. So this is the main reason why the lunar eclipse will be occurs at the full moon day. So eclipse is an astronomical event. Okay, lunar eclipse means when the shadow of the earth is falls on the surface of the moon, then what will be formed? Lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse is occurs only at the full moon day only. But every full moon day, why the lunar eclipse will be not occurs means the reason is only one thing. So lunar eclipse also occurs when the sun, the earth and the moon, these three are comes into a straight line. At that time, the sunlight before reaches to the moon, it is passing through the earth. Then earth's shadow will be falls the moon's surface. Then the moon is not appears to us up to certain time. Again, the earth is not in the stable. It will be again in the motion. That's why changing the position of the earth, then light will be fall onto the moon and reflected back and reach to the earth. Then again you are able to see the moon. This diagram is important for you. So everyone will be draw the diagram neatly. So first the sun here, earth, it is the moon. But now I will be given a simple idea to you in this time. Actually, two types of shadows are there. Means the shadow formed by the any opaque object. It will be forms the two types of shadow. Means not shadow. Sorry. Okay. The shadow formed by the any opaque object. It will be having mainly two regions. One is the umbra region. The second one is the penumbra region. What is the umbra? What is the penumbra? Means, for example, if we can take a spherical shape of the object. This object shadow will be fall here like this one. Just you can say that. So in this one, you are observing that even though when you are walking under the sunlight, at that time if you can see your shadow, the shadow will be formed always opposite to the sunlight. At that time, okay. So except at the periphery or edges, okay, remaining black is thick, means totally black is there. At the edges of the shadow, okay, some light white portion is appears to us. So in every shadow of object formed by the opaque object, okay, so nearly 80% of the shadow is totally appears to the black, because of no part of the light is entered to it, but the edges of the shadow is appears slightly some, okay, little bit intensity of light, means it is not appears totally black, it is somewhat okay light color. So what this is called penumbra. Listen very carefully. In the shadow, the dark region of the shadow we are called umbra, and the partial region of the shadow we are called penumbra. So umbra is nothing but it is totally dark only, means no light is enter. Penumbra means partially light will be enter. But why partially light will be enter means by the diffraction process. Okay, when the light is passing through the any body, at the edges of the body, slightly it will be bent, again traveling in a straight line. Due to the diffraction phenomena of the light, then what will be happening? So a partial, okay, light will be, means slightly light is entering into the shadow, that is called penumbra. Listen, dark region or dark portion in the shadow is called umbra. So, okay, partial region of the shadow we are called penumbra. Why I will explain this one means these two concepts are involved in case of eclipse. So in the next video I will explain clearly how many types of lunar eclipses are there and what are they. So total 3 are there: total lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse, and penumbral lunar eclipse. Types of lunar eclipse. First one, total lunar eclipse. So listen. Totally 3 types of lunar eclipses we are observing from the surface of the earth in the sky. First one, total lunar eclipse. Total lunar is nothing but entire the moon you are not able to see up to certain time. I say that in every shadow formed by the opaque object, how many regions are there? 2 regions. One is the umbra, another one is the penumbra. Umbra is nothing but the darkest region of the shadow we are called umbra, and so the partial region of the shadow we are called penumbra. In the penumbra, slightly light will be entered, but in the umbra region there is no light will be entered. That's why now total lunar means entire the moon is not appears. When it is possible, it occurs when the moon comes under the umbra region of the earth shadow. Means the sun, earth and the moon is there. The moon is revolving around the earth at that time. So the moon comes exactly under the umbra region of the earth shadow. At that time, what will be happening? Single part of the light is also not fall onto the moon because of the entire the moon is covered under which one? Umbra region. Umbra is nothing but the darkest region. That's why what will be happen? So the moon is not appears to us up to certain time. Next one is penumbral lunar eclipse. Penumbral lunar is nothing but, okay, penumbra means second region, we know that. So when the moon it occurs, which one? Penumbral lunar eclipse. It occurs when the moon comes under the penumbra region of earth shadow. But this one, in the place of this one, what you can write? Penumbra region. So same statement you can write, but in front of the umbra you can write just P, penumbra region. It occurs when the moon comes under the penumbra region of the earth shadow. Which one will be occurs? Okay, penumbral lunar eclipse is nothing but, okay, the moon surface is not appears clearly. Our moon surface is not visible clearly. Just some part of the moon, not some part of the moon. Okay, so the outer surface of the moon is slightly appears to us because of the moon is enter into the which region? Penumbra region. When the moon is entering into the penumbra region, in the penumbra region, okay, light intensity is very light, okay, very less. Due to that one, so the moon surface is appears, okay, not clearly like a blood moon is there. Next one is partial lunar eclipse. Partial lunar is nothing but some of the moon is appears to us. Remaining part of the moon is not appears to us from the sky. When it is appears, when the moon, okay, crosses the penumbra region of the earth shadow. When the moon crosses the penumbra region of the earth shadow, partial lunar eclipse will be occurs. Listen very carefully. It occurs when the moon crosses the penumbra region. So means, okay, it is the earth shadow. This is the earth shadow. We can say that here. In this part, initially what is there? Moon is there. Okay, earth shadow like this. It is the umbra region. It is the penumbra region. If the moon is exactly at this place, what will happen? So no part of the light coming from the sun is not reaches to this one. That's why entire the moon is not appear. That is the total lunar eclipse. If we know that moon is not in the constant position, it is moving around the earth. That's why during the motion of the moon around the earth, it reaches to this region. Which region? Penumbra region. That's why some part of the light is entered to here. Due to that one, so part means slightly the lunar means moon is appears to us. That is called penumbral lunar eclipse, but it's not clearly. If next like the during the motion, if again the moon means half of the moon is in the penumbra region, remaining is in the outside of the penumbra region. Outside of the penumbra means, okay, sufficient sunlight will be fall to the outside of the moon, but in this one less. That's why this part of the moon is clearly appears to us. That's why that is called partial lunar eclipse. So this is the a brief idea about type of lunar eclipse. Thank you.